Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. Ugh. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work. So just a quick glimpse into last week's spread where I used According to Ali's Spring Blooms and combined it with the Pilot Iroshizuku Kujiku as well as the Ombre de Bourbony from Herbon, and I love the way it looks. Whereas this week I'm going to be a little more whimsical and fun. I'm going to be using some of the large Magic Forest doodles from the Coffee Monsters Co. along with her new washi, and I think the pen that I'm going to use, or pens that I'm going to use, oh my god, where did that other one go? Oh, there. I will be using my Pelican M400, and this currently has Sailor Shikiori Yozakura, and then I will be using my Sailor Pro Gear in the White Rose Gold, and this currently has Troublemaker Inks Milky Ocean. Let's get started. I really wanted to use these stickers because they're just so cute. They were from the Coffee Monsters Co. anniversary sale back in March, I believe it was. So I just thought I could not pass up using this washi. Like, how cute are they? Hold on, I need, go. Oh my gosh, adorable. And I'm actually gonna put the washi all the way down the bottom, because why not? They're fun. And the thing is, I mean, whoops, when I decorate my work planner, a little bit of whimsy should go into it. Okay, cute. And then I'm thinking, do I want to put this right on top? Or, the thing is though, if I put it like that, I don't have any date covers to go over it. I mean, they look fun. But hold on here. Thing is, I mean, the colors do go together, but I don't know. I feel like I should use one or the other and not both, but we'll see. I also bought these Magic Forest full boxes because I thought, well, how adorable are those? So I'm going to take this one, the Find a Magic in the Ordinary, and I'm actually going to place it up here at the top. Oh, it looks like the sticker decided to go down before I wanted it to go down. And this is where I feel like I can add this washi. So let's move that out of the way here. There we go. So the day that I'm filming this, it is Good Friday, and I actually have the day off because in Canada it is a statutory holiday, but because I work for a US contact center, the US contact center is still open. So, okay, what do I want to add? These fairies are adorable. I want to add just a little, like, I don't know. I don't know. That doesn't, like, really add anything. It almost feels like it's just too much there. So I'm going to just do a little leaf and then leave this out like that. And then I'm just going to letter in the word notes because this is my notes section. I'm going to make it look a little bit prettier than normal. Add in the downstrokes. I was like, which side are the downstrokes on? Oh, I like that. Very cute. So then I think I can add something in this. Actually, I can add something here. So I'm going to add this. Oh, how cute is that? With a little bit of this. Oh my goodness, adorable. Then I'm going to use my ruler to just draw the line down the middle. And this isn't even in the middle, it's like 2/3 to the right. And this is the perfect amount of room I need so that I can have my meetings on this side, my to-do list on this side. And what I'm actually going to do, using my, oh, I didn't even write Sunday properly. I did this last week. I'm going to write Friday, and I like writing these in here because it adds a little bit of color to the dates without necessarily needing stickers. And like, I'll show you, I'll remove this, but like you've got there, this one had the stickers there, there. So just adding a little bit of color to the dates on the side. I really like how that looks. I already have ink on my fingers. What did I want to do next? I want to, what do I want to do? I'm kind of torn about this. I feel like I have to add it in one more place in order to balance it out, but I don't know. What do you think? And I'm asking like you guys are going to answer me in real time, but I think this will leave me with enough room for notes for the week. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is actually write in my meetings. So there is my overall finished spread. I totally screwed up writing with the same pen here, and then even when writing down that meeting, I didn't write the circle, so whatever. All right, but I actually really like the colors. I think they go with the colors that are in here. I am really into trying to match the inks that I'm using with the stickers that I'm using. It just makes me happy. Okay, but that is it for me. I really love the Coffee Monsters washi and stickers. They're just adorable, and I know it's not for everybody, but they just make it, and you know, these stickers just, again, they brighten up the day. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, I was like, if you like this picture, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.